welcome back. Today we went guava hunting and we wanted to share this video with you. But before I go ahead and share the video with you guys, I just want to take the time to say thank you and that I really appreciate your continuous support. And the video is not a very long video, guys, but I was in my elements and I really did enjoy myself, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And without further ado, enjoy the video.
I'm like, then start race already.
Today is Sunday.
Today is Saturday.
The race for Sunday.
Then what kind of blow off your out? That's
Rated Miss Slippers last, you see it? Carlington, you don't have to reach that one day.
I'm not go up there. I'm gonna go up there.
Can you reach this one?
Which one? Where?
You just want that big linear. Okay. If you push it down, can you reach it? See, you see the big one up there? Oh God, we broke down the tree. We can't come back next week. Can you reach it? Thank you. A Carlington do that. People who see Carlington breaking down the tree, they have no respect for nature, Carlington. Carlington, you're not gonna say anything, eh? You're just gonna be quiet about it after you come out here and abuse the tree. Poor old guava tree. Oh Jesus, me drop one big one. I'll probably like the biggest one too. Watch this, that's all. What is this?
Need help? Are you alright?
Huh?
Need help?
No.
You know, have on your slippers, be careful.
I can't help myself. Turn me ball out.
Don't say you're a tomboy, you know.
Huh?
Don't say you're a tomboy.
The car, man. You just know I'm not sticking on the foot. Did I get everything? You know, if you don't go over on this side. Natural food, people. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye. What is it? What?